Hey, how's it going, guys? My name's Diego Renteria, and thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a quick video on the difference between investing and trading, the types of trading, and the different instruments of trading. So, investing versus trading. If you click on this video, you probably want to learn a little bit more about investing and or trading and how to do it on your own. Now, this is going to be very stupid, beginner stupid level. So, if you already know what investing is and or trading, know the different types and know the different instruments, then I recommend you skip this video. I will come out with more videos in the future on more advanced topics like learning how to read the chart and trying to be able to predict when the market might move in a certain direction. But this is for the beginners. Investing versus trading. So let's get into it real quick. Investing, this is my definition of investing and trading, by the way. This isn't taken off the internet. This is just what, in my opinion, the difference is between investing and trading. So, investing, I think investing is more like putting your money into an asset and letting it grow over time. You hold this asset for a long time, and it's picking, choosing companies that you trust will make you money over the long run. So if you really enjoy Apple products or you really like Facebook or you know Microsoft, then you invest in those and you hold it for a long time. You're basically becoming an owner of that company. That's what a share is, a small owner, and then just pretty much holding it and making money in the long run. Trading is more buying and selling an asset with a set goal of riding a quick movement either up or down. And this could be done on anything: oil, gold, stocks, options, anything that you can buy for a certain price and sell for a certain price later with the goal of doing it quickly and making money off it. Investing versus trading. Trading's more risky, but you make more money. Investing, it's less risky, still got risk involved, but your money does grow slower. Types of trading. These are the three types that I've really focused and just different styles of trading that I've traded before. So we got scalping, right? Scalping is getting in and out of positions within, I mean, sometimes even seconds. If you get a big move within a couple seconds, minutes, or even up to a couple hours. But mostly scalping is done within seconds and or minutes. Day trading can be done within a couple hours of a day. So you're in and out within the same day. Either you get in at the beginning of the day and then you get out at the end of the day, or you get in 1 hour, get out the next hour. Swing trading, right? That's you getting in a position and then you wait a couple days or weeks for it to play out. Um, and let me give you a couple reasons why you might choose one over another. Scalping, right? You want to get in and get out quick. It's more thrilling. You really focus in on the small movements and just getting really good at reading the chart on the small time frame and being able to move with the market pretty quickly. Day trading is pretty good for trading within the day. It's a good medium between scalping and swing trading. It's kind of what most people do, in my opinion. I think most people day trade. They get in for a couple hours within the same day. And then we have swing trading. This is really good for if you work a job. Day trading and scalping, you really like this needs to be your job. Like being a trader needs to be your job, or you need to just not have a job and have the time to do this in order to really be, get really good at scalping or really get really good at day trading. Swing trading is a little bit easier to do if you have a job, because you could just kind of look at the market one day notice that a stock of your choice is kind of low, buy the dip, hold it for a couple days to a week, and then you'll make a profit. Swing trading is really good if you work a job. Now we got the different things we can trade, right? Stocks, we all know what stocks are. Stocks are your companies, Apple, Microsoft, etc., etc. Options are just contracts of 100 shares, and I will go into options in the future. Options is a little complicated, especially if you have no idea, and if you're watching this video and don't know what any of these things are, then you're definitely not going to know what options are, even if I explain it. So I will have a in-depth video on options because it's going to take a while to explain options. But essentially, it's a contract of 100 shares of one stock, and you're betting on either the price going up or down. You could buy an option or you could sell an option, and you can either buy a put or a call, which is basically you thinking if it's going to go up or down. That's options. Forex is cool. Forex is also open 24 hours a day for 5 days a week, whereas stocks and options are only open 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, unless your broker does after hours trading, which most brokers do nowadays, except for options really can't be done after hours. It's mostly stocks that I've noticed, anyways. So, prove me wrong if you can. That's just what I've noticed. Forex is cool. Forex is, for example, like when you exchange your dollar for a peso, a Mexican peso. Basically, how a dollar does not always equal 10 pesos. Sometimes it equals 20. Basically, it's just making money between that fluctuation of 10 pesos equaling $1 to 20 pesos equaling a dollar. Whether you buy or sell between those 10 and 20 pesos, you will make a profit. Futures is also open 24 hours that I've noticed for around 5 days a week. Futures is very similar to stocks. I really don't know how to explain it. I haven't touched futures in a minute. I have traded it before. You can trade it 24 hours a day, and it's actually the only futures I have traded before have been the Nasdaq, which is the stock we're on right now, and gold. So gold futures and Nasdaq futures is what I've traded, especially just contracts you could buy on betting whether the price of a things going up or down in the future, and you could actually, yeah, pretty much that's it. I That's futures. Crypto is cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure everyone's heard of Bitcoin. It's just a digital asset that isn't controlled by banks for the most part, and it's just something you can trade. It's just an asset. Those are the different things you can trade. We will focus on stocks and options in the next video. All right, thanks for